Whoa! Yo, what is up? I haven't rode this bike in weeks. Listen to the pops. I need a new battery. I need to get a new battery from Best Buy. I'm going to Best Buy to get a new battery because, well, somebody broke into my car and stole my GoPro battery, amongst like a bunch of other things, but that's for another video. I'm here at the weather report. The temperature outside is cold as fuck. Cold enough to where I'm wearing a shirt, a hoodie, my waterproof layer under my riding jacket and my riding jacket and my gloves, and I'm still cold. So cold that my friends won't even come out. No, actually it doesn't take much. They're all wussies. What is he doing? I'm gonna see if I can get some good pops out of her. I get really nervous riding through this area because the cops are plentiful and they ain't got shit to do. Oh, I know you hear that. What does that sticker say? Modest something use? I think that it has to do with drugs, which we do not condone on this channel. If you're gonna do drugs, just microdose. Modest M use. I don't know what that means, and I can't tell what it is by looking at her face either. Oh, that's a nice little jump right there. I got a couple of cool videos coming out pretty soon. Number one, I'm hosting an event on Sunday. Me and somebody else, we're gonna put something together. I forgot what his name is. I'm a terrible person. But basically, I don't know any routes, but I know that I wanna do like a sumo mini ride, something like that. So I'm gonna put something together for Sunday. I'm gonna invite everybody out, and yeah, we're all gonna go and do hood rat shit on Sunday, pretty much all day. I trust this guy. I've never met him. I exchanged like 3 Instagram messages with him, and I trust him with my reputation. Women just wouldn't understand. It's a man thing. Oh, he's fast. Oh, there's a helicopter. Damn. Imagine getting your shit rocked so hard they have to bring a helicopter to get you out. That guy's chewing on the laces of his hoodie. He just needed something long and soft in his mouth.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
I've been on like this new health thing. My girlfriend left for the Navy, so I've been hitting the gym daily. I also am pretty big into jiu-jitsu. I know it sounds crazy, but my gym bag got stolen, so they took all my jiu-jitsu stuff, and so I'm having to order a bunch of new stuff. I got most of it. I'm just waiting on just a mouth guard or something like that so I can get back in there. I refuse to roll without a mouth guard because I will bite my tongue off. I'm really good at that. Oh, but yeah, my girlfriend's in basic training right now, so basically I told her, I said, for the 9 weeks that you're gone, I'm gonna get swole. And so when she gets back, I'm gonna be like a solid 230 jacked. Maybe not 230. I think we're aiming a little high. I don't think I want to be 230, but we're gonna get swole. Them Florida boys be crazy. Hey, Florida boy up here is actually hauling ass. Sir, you are going above the speed limit. No, actually, I think that his version of hauling ass is actually going the speed limit because everybody's going so freaking slow. I literally can't find neutral while I'm going. Oh, while I'm rolling, it's really hard. Hey man, I don't care if this is your first video you've ever watched of mine, or if you're a fan of the channel, or if you've watched every single video, or even if you think I'm a terrible person. I need you to do me a favor. My girlfriend, she left for the Navy, and all I can do is write her letters. I can't text her, can't call her, none of that. But I had this idea, and I don't know if it's gonna work, but I would really like it if I could just get a bunch of supportive comments and, you know, print them off and mail them to her whenever I'm able to mail them. I just think that that would be really cool. She's been really supportive of me doing this, and the amount of time that it takes and the energy it takes away from my home life and everything like that. And so I feel like honestly, as much props as I deserve for doing it, I think that she deserves something as well for putting up with my nonsense all the time. If you guys could just drop some kind words in the comments for her, that would be, man, that would actually be really cool. I think that she would really appreciate it, and it would probably help her pull through a little bit. Should I throw one up? I'm not gonna lie to you, I can't wheelie around the corner, so we're gonna put her down. I can barely wheelie as is. I'm chasing a lot of them. Grade A chaser addict. Bro doesn't have his lights on. I couldn't see you. That'd be tragic if I rear-ended him and then I blamed him for not having his lights on because it's like slightly dim outside. And then I win in court, and then the guy has to give me everything he owns. Guys, hype me up. I'm taking a turn at the speed limit. Look, I'm gonna lean though. Hype me up. Hype me up. I'm almost scraping knee. I'm only 2.5 feet away. Oh, brother. Yo, chill. I'm speeding through here. Run! Look at all the birds. Imagine shooting a 12 gauge in the air right there, dude. You'd take out like 7 of them. Oh my god, I didn't even think about the fact that birds probably hate 4th of July. Look at all of them. Holy smokes, dude. I wonder what kind of birds those are. Those are just like small, local, whatever birds, you know? Ooh. I don't think I'm entirely aware of the time, but I do know that there's a bike meet up here at 7 o'clock. And I think it's kind of close to 7 o'clock, 6, 7. No Diddy Cup shit. And maybe I'll stop by. We'll see. It depends on how close we are to 7 o'clock. I gotta go home and get this rear set put on my 125 so I can go to a stunt ride tonight. Oh, there's a vape on the ground. You dirty vapors. You know, I used to vape for like a 1.5 years or so. And I quit doing that shit. And it always starts off the same for everybody, I feel like. I feel like it starts off with like, oh, your friends are like, hey, you want to hit my vape? And you're like, oh, I've never hit a vape before, but you want to try it because you want to be cool, you know what I mean? You want to prove that your lungs are strong enough and you want to condition them so that you can vape even more and stuff like that. And then you hit the vape, and the next thing you know, oh, a little jump. I'm entrusting the public to not murder my bike while it's in here. Well, it's parked here, I should say, in here. What the hell? I forgot what I was saying. Alright, let's go get a new battery so I can actually go to stunt rides and not have to worry about running out of battery after only like an hour. Yo, it's an airplane. I wonder if that bicycle is for sale. Somebody just left that shit. Ooh, it's a Planet. Oh my god, I don't like this bike, dude. It's too tall. I'm a short boy. Short kings we up. What is that though? It's like a solar. It's like the solar system. It's like the sun or what? I don't know, man. It doesn't look. That doesn't look very accurate. I've never seen that before in the sky. I've seen those birds in the sky though. God bless. We're gonna go check out that bike meet and see if anybody's there. But later in the video, I'm going to be teaching you guys, how to deal with your emotions like a man. So stick around for that. In case you guys are wondering, no, it doesn't involve a therapist. Therapy's fake. Just kidding. No, I think that there's real people out there that need therapists, but those people are usually not men with motorcycles. I'll probably just go ahead and scooch in right here because I don't have room to get behind them. Oh! There you go. There's a little bit of therapy right there. Alright, we're like 30 seconds away, 20 seconds away, 15 seconds away, 10 seconds away from the bike meet. And we're an hour early, so let's see if even a single bike is here. No, I'm the only person here. I ain't going. Okay, I'll pull in for a second. I'll pull in just to look at the parking lot because it's so pretty. Maybe we'll go this way. Yep, it looks like the parking lot's already like cleared out back here for all the motorcycle boys. They're gonna come here and they're gonna sit around and jerk each other off. That's what bike meets are all about. I mean, they got rules, right? No revving, no having fun, no doing wheelies in the parking lot, no running from the cops. I don't even know what the point of going is. This person just got on my behind for no reason. Dang, girl! You got kids in the car. What are you doing? Okay, Samantha, just because I don't want to speed everywhere. Jeez. I wonder what her kids are watching on the TV. I can't see. Oh, she slowed down. He's got red and blue lights on his rim. That can't be legal. Yo, are we good? Oh, okay. They were about to initiate a no turn signal lane switch while they had their phone in their hand. They could have murdered me. I have a mother. I have a mother that cares about me. You want to take that from her? You want to take her son from her? I should go ask him that. Bro, honestly, I'm getting tired of getting stuck at the back of lights. I kind of want to just come up here. Easy does it. This is actually a really bad spot to be going fast, so I'm just going to go slow. Rush hour traffic, man. Rush hour traffic will get you. Alright, more pops? What do you guys say? I say yes. Reminds me of my Camaro SS or my ZL1. Those things were disgusting with the pops, dude. Oh yeah, I forgot I have free will and I don't have to wait at this light. I can just go right here. Alright, we're drag racing now. Just kidding. I always miss second. A two-step on this thing would go hard. Let me on the freeway! Let him cook! Oh, he's cooking! Ah, vet life, huh? I'm gonna need an oil change just after that. Now we're going back into incognito mode. Nothing happened here. They be calling helicopters on people out here, so. That's the sound that my bike's making. It smells like marijuana under this bridge. Not just that, but his brights are super bright. Goddamn, brighten my mirrors, bro. Oh, kind of looks like something cooler with the mirrors all folded up and shit. Probably get better aerodynamics, huh? Hey, man. Dodge makes a pretty dog water car, I won't lie, but I don't know, man, they still sound good. Oh, bumps! Oh, more bumps! Accelerate! Yeah! Turn signal on, okay. Operation try not to get rear-ended. Okay, we're turning. Successful turn, we didn't get rear-ended. Put my mirrors back. Oh, I can see! Listen, man, I know that people say that they don't, like, use their mirrors or whatever. Also, off topic, I want to explore that place so bad, but nobody wants to come with me. Anyways, people say that they don't use their mirrors and stuff, and you guys are liars, bro. I use my mirrors constantly. I'm always looking in them. If you ain't looking in your mirrors in 2026, what you doing? Well, guys, that was my YouTube tutorial on how to deal with your emotions as a man in 2026, obviously without going to therapy. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, just drop like a middle finger like this in the comment section. Other than that, dude, leave some love in the comments for my girlfriend. She's in the Navy. She's at basic right now, so I can send her letters in a couple of weeks, and I really would like it if I could send her a couple of pictures of like a bunch of supportful comments from you guys. That would be like really probably cool to her. I don't know, maybe not, but who knows? So let's try it and see. Anyways, peace out, guys. I appreciate you guys for sticking around this long.